Make toffee white chocolate at home in a fraction of a time by simply heating up your cream and adding coffee concussion to it. Which coffee to use? Use the one you like the most. Prefer a strong flavored one so that it stands out when mixed with chocolate. When you add coffee to your hot cream, it might seem that it curdled. Do not worry, just beat it well and add it to the chopped chocolate. Mix well and add some butter for the shine and glossiness. Combine everything, and before you proceed, it is important to do a taste test to make sure the coffee flavor shines through and is perfect for you. I added a little more upon tasting as I felt the flavor was quite mild. In total, used 4 tablespoons of coffee concoction. Once you're satisfied, wrap it with a cling wrap in a way that the cling film touches the truffle mixture and then chill for about an hour until it solidifies a bit. मैंने गलती से थोड़ा ज़्यादा chill कर दिया, so mine hardened a little more than I thought, but managed to scoop out 2 teaspoons of coffee truffle mixture to make 1 truffle. Then chill again for 5 more minutes and give them a round shape. The best part about making truffles is that you do not want it to be exactly round like a laddu. Instead, it should be rustic, resembling a truffle. यार तभी तो इसे truffles बोलते हैं and laddu नहीं. Chill again for another 5 minutes and smooth the top by rolling it one last time. Dip it into melted chocolate to make it professional looking. Please note that the melted chocolate should not be hot or warm, it should be room temperature. And how to melt chocolate? Ask me that, and I will guide you through a detailed recipe on our YouTube channel, the link for which is in the description box below. And then chill until ready to serve. This tastes exactly like our bachpan ka toffee bite chocolate wala pyar. I would say it's an easier option than making a laddu for Diwali, as the steps are really simple to follow. So what are you gonna make for Diwali this year?